Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of iPhone users are reporting that AssistiveTouch is not moving on iPhone after iOS 16 update. So let's start the video now. First, open the Settings app on your iOS device. On the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Now click on Touch and then click on AssistiveTouch at the top. Here, disable AssistiveTouch. After that, go to the back menu, scroll down and click on General. Again scroll down and click on Shutdown. Now slide to power off. So friends, after restarting the iPhone, now go to Settings menu, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Click on Touch and then click on AssistiveTouch. Here enable AssistiveTouch. So friends, after doing so, your AssistiveTouch moving problem will be resolved on your iPhone.